Hello students, welcome to our channel Max in Simple. Today we are seeing fourth chapter pair of linear equation of SSC Max Telangana, that is of 10th class 4.1 exercise. In that fourth problem, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. So here what he is saying in this question, he is saying 10 students took part in a 10 students. So 10 members of students, 10 members took part in a quiz of which class? 10th class. Of 10th class only 10 students took part in a mathematical quiz. Okay, next what he is saying, he is not giving the exact number of girls, how many girls took part and how many number of boys took part. He is not giving, but he is giving in one condition form. He is saying in one condition, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So here he is saying if the number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys. So we have to find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so by using these conditions we have to find out the number of boys are there and how many numbers of girls took part in the quiz. So what we are doing, we are assuming in answer we are taking, let the number of boys be x we are taking. Okay, and the number of girls be y. Here we are taking, here we are assuming number of boys be x and we are assuming number of girls be y. Okay, so here what he said, first condition what he gave, 10 students. So 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. So total how many students took part? 10. So we know that in that some are girls and some are boys. So what we can do? We can write here this equation, we will get no. If we add this two, the number of boys and the number of girls equal to 10 only, we will get no. He is saying total is 10. So number of boys is x. So x plus number of girls, how many, how much we took? Y. So if we add these two, x plus y equal to 10 only we will get, because he is saying total is 10 student only took part. So the plus, so the addition, so the sum of these two will be equal to 10. So this equation we got. Okay, next what equation he, here what condition he gave, if the number of girls is more than the number of boys. So he is saying number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls is what? Y. So what we will get? Y equal to 4 more than, he is saying 4 more than the number of boys he is saying. So 4 more than means we should add 4 plus number of boys. How much number of boys is there? X. So what we are doing? Plus x we are writing. Okay, understood ma? Here is saying if the number of girls is, so here we are writing number of girls, how much we got? Y. So y equal to 4 more than. So 4 more than means what we have to do? Add. 4 more than means we have to add 4 more than the number of boys. So how many number of boys are there? X. So we are writing plus x. Okay, so this one condition we got, this one equation we got, and this one equation we got. So what we are doing for this equation, for in from this equation we are putting here only y. So y equal to, here 10 is, we are writing 10 and we are sending this x to that side, so it will come in minus x. Okay, now what we are doing, we should draw the one table. Okay, x and y equal to how much we got here? 10 minus x and x comma y we are writing here. Okay, here I am taking x value as 0. We can assume any value for x. Okay, I am drawing this table for why I am taking this table for drawing graph. Okay, I am assuming x equal to 0. So y equal to 10 is there. So 10 minus, in place of x I am writing 0. Why? Because we took x value as 0. So equal to how much we will get? 10 only. Okay, here x and y value we have to put. How much is x? 0. So 0 comma how much is y? 10. 0 comma 10. Next x value is 1. So y equal to how much is here? 10 minus x. So 10 minus, in place of x what is the value of x? 1. So 10 minus 1 equal to how much? 9 we will get. So xy value you have to write. How much is x? 1 comma 9. Next we are taking x value as 2. So y equal to 10 minus x. So 10 minus 2. X value is 2 no, so 10 minus 2 equal to how much we'll get? 8. So here x y value we have to write x is 2, y is 8. So 2 comma 8. Okay. Next for this equation we will draw the table. Okay. So x here I am writing now, y equal to how much? 4 plus x I am writing as it is x comma y. So in place of this x I am assuming value 0. Any value you can take. I am taking 0. So y equal to 4 plus 6 is there no. So 4 plus 0. In place of x I am taking 0 because here we took 0 no. So 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Next here xy value we have to write. How much is x? 0. So 0 comma how much is y? 4. 0 comma 4. Next in place of x I am taking 1. So y equal to 4 is there. So 4 plus is there, plus in place of this x what is the value? X we took 1. So 1 we are writing. 4 plus 1 how much will get? 5. Xy value we should write. How much is x? 1. So 1 comma how much is y? 5. Next I am taking x value as 2. So y equal to 4 is there. So 4 plus is there, plus in place of x value how much? 2. So 2 here I am writing. 4 plus 2 6. So 2 comma 6. Now we have got the tables for both the equation. Okay. Now what we will do? We will draw the graph. This paper, what we call this paper as? We call this paper as graph paper. Okay. So what we have to do? In the middle of the graph paper we have to draw one horizontal line like this. Okay. Straight line we should draw. We call this horizontal line as x-axis, and one vertical line we have to draw. We call this line also as y-axis. Straight line you should draw. Okay, like this. Here one line is there no, like this straight line you should draw. We call that as y-axis. Okay. Now after drawing where these two lines will meet, no, this horizontal line and the vertical line like this, where they are meeting? Here they are meeting, no. So we will say this point as origin, and there we will put as point 0. Okay. Now after that what we have to do? We have to take scale. Scale is nothing but how much we should increase from here to next box. How much we have to increase? We should write here. Okay. So what we are taking? We should see first this table. In this table xy values here are in between 0 to 10 only. No, this is also 0 to 10. This is also 1 to 9. 2 comma, it means this all values are in between 0 to 10. Here also if we see x and y value 0 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 6. So it means that these values are also in between 0 to 10. No, so one value only we will increase. Okay. So on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit we took. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. It means that from here to when it moves to another box we should increase 1 only. 1 we will get. From here to moves to next box it will become 2. 1 next will 2. From here to 2 to next means it will become 3. Next, from 3 to next box it will become 4. So 1 we have to increase like that. It will goes on. This side also will goes on like that, but here negative number will be there. -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Okay. Always on the x-axis right hand side will be positive value and the left hand side will be negative value. Okay. On the y-axis also same. We have to increase 1 from here to next box 1. From here 1 to next box 2. From 2 to next box 3. 4 next to 4 like that we have to increase 1 value. Okay. So on the y-axis always the above value will be positive and the below value will be negative. Okay. So now we will see the points. What are the points? 0 comma 10 is the first point. Okay. So here what we will do? Here we will write the point first. 0 comma 10 we got. Okay. So here I am writing 0 comma 10. 0 comma 10. So this side always will be x value and this side will be y value. So on x-axis where is 0? Here. So from this position only we have to see y value. Y value is how much? 10. No? So from this position only we have to see on y-axis where we are getting 10. Here we are getting no. So here we should put one cross mark. Okay. Next what? Second point is what? Second point is 1 comma 9. Okay. So we will write here. Second point is 1 comma 9. Okay. So here I am writing 1 comma 9. So here x value will be there. Here y value will be there. So how much is x? 1. So on x-axis where we are getting 1? Here. So from this position only we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 9. So from this position we have to see where we are getting y. How much is y? 9. So here, so we should put here one cross mark. Okay, next, what is the next value? 2 comma 8. So next is 2 comma 8. I will take the pencil and I will write here 2 comma 8. This is x and this is y. Okay, so on x-axis where is 2? Here 2. Okay, so from this position only we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 8. So where we are getting 8? From this position we are, yes, here. So we are putting here also cross mark. Next we have to take the scale and join all these points like this we have to draw. Okay, after drawing that, what we have to do? We have to mention for which equation we have got this line. Okay, so for what equation we have got, we will see above. Okay, first I will rub this. For this equation we have got, okay, what is the equation? X plus y equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10 we should write there. Okay, next for this we have, for this point we have to plot the graphs. First point is 0 comma 4. So here I am writing 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. So x value is 0, y value is 4. So on x-axis where is 0? Here. From here this position only we have to see where we are getting y value. What is y value? 4. So from this here 4 we are getting. So we should put one cross mark. Next, second point is how much? 1 comma 5. So I am writing here 1 comma 5. X value is 1, y value is 5. So on x-axis where is 1? This. So from this we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 5. So from this position where we are getting 5? This here. So we will put here cross mark. Okay. Next is next point is 2 comma 6. Okay. I will write here next point is 2 comma 6. This is x value and this is y value. So on x-axis where is 2? Here. So from this position only we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 6. So from here we have to see where we are getting 6 here. Now I have got the 3 points and I will take one scale and I will join the points. Straightly you should draw. Okay. Okay, now after drawing we should mention for what equation we have got that line we should write here. Okay. Here we should write for what equation we have got. So we will see for what equation we have got that line y equal to 4 plus x. So here y equal to 4 plus x. Okay. So what we are seeing that these two lines are intersecting. Where they are intersecting, that is the answer. So where they are intersecting? Here. So what value is how much? 3. So here we are writing 3 comma. And what is the y value? 7. So 3 comma 7 is the answer. So here we are writing in the graph 3 comma 7 is point of intersection. So therefore the number of boys is how much? We will say here we said no. What we said, the number of boys be x. So here this value will be x, no? So the number of boys is x we are getting now. We took here x, number of boys is x. So x number of boys is 3. Okay, here x value is 3, no? We are getting. Next, the number of girls, how much we took? The number of girls we took as y. So what is the y value here? 7. So therefore the number of girls is 7 we got. So this is the answer. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.